Yeah, I think I wore the wrong shoes today because they're kind of cutting into my ankle bone. And it's that low cut design. These are great for trails, but I don't know. I mean, maybe they just need to be broken in a little more. Maybe they're still too rigid.
Wear them to work.
I laugh at Cabela's.
So I started and I bought it 2 days ago.
Well, good morning, everybody. It is Sunday hang on. Well, my watch is in tracking mode. Sunday the 4th, 5th, somewhere in there, I'm not sure. But we are headed into, I don't even know the name of this hollow over here, but we are on this ATV trail. We're out here with Jeff and a friend of his, Mark, and we are going to go check out a place called the Subway, or the Arkansas Subway. I'm not sure, but it's referred to simply as the Subway. We're going to go down there and check it out. It's an area where there's a cave, but there's water coming through the cave, and there won't be any water in there today, but we're here to kind of check it out so we can come back after a big rain and see what it does. So Jeff's been here a few times. This is Lucy and our first trip, and we're anxious to see what it looks like. So anyway, we'll catch up with you later and give you some updates and let you know what it's like. Talk to you soon.
We got up into the cave on the Parsons Trail. Just went down to the cave off the trail was so steep. I started to slide and the ground underneath me started to slide. I said, Jeff, I'm coming down, get out of the way.
I think I'll go up over here.
Huh?
I'll have to go up here.
There's a tree that's gonna go to
It's probably easier if I just
Here, you can use this little tree here as a step.
and there's a branch on that side.
Just gotta be careful not to go face first.
Looking over my shoulder.
It probably would have just been easier if I crawled under that.
No, I don't think so.
Oh yeah, that would have been easier.
She said she saw a black cougar in some of our pictures.
Hey, they had a mountain lion sighting on a trail cam in Clark County, Arkansas, southeast Arkansas.
Yeah, that's what I was telling them. I saw that then. And then we're saying that they're more common down in the southern.
Yeah, But they're up here too.
Yeah, the state says they don't exist, but they do exist.
Well, the state says they have no breeding population.
Yeah, they say they're wondering if the kids can make a home.
Yeah. I've been there after a good rain.
There was one time some was flipping out, but I really like that.
Yeah. Now you'll have a lot of company. There'll be a lot of people out there too. Yeah, it is. Easy.
This reminds me of the place you took me down when you first started hiking. Downhill. Easy, bud. Hang on, let me go down in front of you. I'm okay. I'll be very careful.
Just
Loose.
I want to go down like this.
okay.
It is.
Huh? Yeah, get off of it.
My heel was stuck and I couldn't
Oh.
climb.
I'm gonna go ahead and go in here. Watch out on these rocks, these are slick.
Yeah.
Anything in here is gonna be slick, dry or not. No, Lucy, let me
Okay, go ahead.
get in front of you, I'll help you down.
I can go right, sit right here and you can help me down.
Okay, hang on.
I'm not going to.
Boy, that is slick. Yeah,
There.
okay, watch out, yeah. Everything in here is slick.
Like 20 degrees cooler down here.
There. That's cool.
Yeah. Well, here's the main tunnel.
Yep.
Right over. Well, hang on, let's get here. Is that a,
Water comes out, when water's up, water comes out of the rocks over there also. But this is the south end of it.
I am putting my headlamp together, about to go into this little cave area, and we'll see what we got.
Bringing a headlamp?
I'm bringing one. All right, hang on.
Just put yours on and come up here. It's on. It was.
Well, I know, turned it off on purpose. Huh?
I can put it with Jen's backpack. Ow. Come back here. Put my trekking ball in your backpack, Jeff, and you ride it on my pole. Are you gonna walk it down? No, I mean, that's kind of deep.
I'm gonna go get my wet shoes and go through.
Oh,
You see that? Wow, that would be fun if I
Is
had.
there light coming out the other end?
No, it's dark so far.
Yeah, you gotta go through. The north end is further down, it's long.
We're gonna have to do that sometime.
We're not doing that.
No, not today, but we'll let Jeff do it and then we'll do it.
No, Jeff doesn't need to go down there either.
I'm telling you, I got my work shoes.
Jeff,
We don't need to call search and rescue
No,
again.
you don't. You don't need to do that. I don't go as far as it's safe to go. I'm not gonna try to squeeze myself to that. And there is a north end, so that I can come out the other end.
yeah, all things being equal.
Oh, we don't need a picture.
I haven't tried it yet, so I'm like,
Well, are you sure it comes out the other end?
I know it comes out. JT and I found it last time.
Okay.
A lot of my pictures are from that big area from the up north end.
Okay. I just don't want you to go in there and get stuck or sucked into a hole.
First I was calling it the Skill Creek slot, but then when we found that's why I said there's a north end and a south end.
What about the surface? I mean, you have a trekking pole to check the bottom so you don't fall in? I'll let you borrow a trekking pole.
That's cold.
Oh, you both went?
Yes. Can't see anymore.
Yeah, I can see them.
I know, but
Almost at the end, it's like 50 feet.
oh. Here, let's go back out and look.
Okay.
It's slick out here though.
I'm coming. Like, oh, have you seen it?
Okay. Whew. All right, let's see what we got over here. Yeah. Okay. Now it's a. Something back in there. Boy, this is some tough areas. Not easy to walk through. Got some steep hillsides through here. Woo! These rocks make you nervous. Slip so easily.
Well, that was cool.
Did it come out the other end?
Oh yeah, it's not that far at all. You just round the corner and there it is.
Oh, okay.
It's no deeper than knee deep.
Okay.
It's stable, it's wide open. There's just one.
No
pinpoint.
potholes in the floor or anything?
I gotta get a picture of the tree and go over here.
It's just a bend. It's not really that far.
Oh, okay.
It's solid rock, it's not slippy.
Okay.
Cool to go through. You just gotta be willing to get
Cold. But then you're peeking.
Yeah, I think the radio's good to.
Yeah.
I didn't know how long.
Yeah, I told you there was an ant.
No, if there was anything, the only thing you gotta watch out for is there's some roots
wasn't
going.
sure how
kinda
deep it was
coming out of
gonna
the
get.
rock.
Right,
so I
right.
had to turn around. I wasn't sure, but now I know when it's like this, you can go through.
Okay. Yeah,
Guess at least when I fall, I'm closer to the ground.
yeah. Could just be.
I said, "I'm still gonna patch up this cement."
Hmm?
Still gonna patch up
Whoa. Does it come? Where does it come out, Jeff?
What?
Where does it come out?
That tree's falling apart.
Oh, right there. Okay. You gonna go through there, bud?
Yeah.
All right.
See, I did just fine going through there. Go over it. Or go around it. I'm sorry. My hat got you. I didn't know it was deeply there, you know. I thought it was higher up.
After you.
Well, either
I
way,
already came out the other end. I was going to climb over these rocks once you guys were clear. Definitely, if I hit these piles of rocks.
Be careful, bud. You're on some green rocks.
I'm going past here.
I know, but just your feet can give out. Huh?
Hey, Jeff, look at me. Gonna make Hannah jealous.
That's what I said. All these boulders were washed on this side. This one here in a couple thousand years will be washed.
Well, doesn't look like it's too steep, but it's kind of muddy. Whoa.
Fall?
No.
That's our damn hill.
I just don't have the right shoes. Yeah, come on up this way. Some stickers right there. Little random stickers. Okay. Yeah.
Thanks to Jeff.
Yeah.
Jeff keeps saying he wants to work on his upper body. I'm going to do packages with me.